Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this situational problem taken from the past REE board examination. So sa isang situational problem pala, engineers, is meron tayong dalawang board exam problems. So yung problem number 1 natin is taken from past REE April 2011 board exam. And then yung problem number 2 natin is taken from REE May 2010 board examination. Okay? So ito yung problem natin. Consider a system with sequent impedances of positive impedance which is equal to G 0.2577 per unit, negative impedance or Z minus equal to G 0.2085 per unit, and the zero sequence impedance or Z sub 0 is equal to G 0.14 as 0.14 per unit. So yung problem number 1 natin is determine the fault current IE1 for a single line to ground fault. So this problem is a single line to ground fault. And then yung problem number 2 natin is determine the fault current. So fault current naman yung hinahanap at phase A for a single line to ground fault at A. Okay, let's try to solve this problem using our Caltech solution. So sa calculator natin, engineers, punta tayo sa mode and then mode 3 and then 1. Okay? So let's go to mode 3 and then let's choose this variance mode, or that is 1. So we have a display of X column. So ito yung magiging display natin. After that, input natin sa ating column or table. For X column is ilagay natin yung Z1 which is the positive impedance, Z2 which is the negative impedance, Z sub 0 which is the zero sequence impedance, and then kung may fault impedance na ibinigay sa problem is ilalagay natin siya sa fourth row which is 3 times the fault impedance. But since dito sa problem is wala siyang given na fault impedance, so we will assume ZF as equal to 0. So therefore, magiging ganito yung ating inputs. So for X column, we have the positive impedance which is 0.2577. So hindi na natin isasali yung imaginary. Then next, for the negative impedance which is 0.2085. And then for the zero sequence impedance which is 0.14. And then wala tayong fault impedance, so therefore 0. So input natin to sa ating calculator, engineers. 0.2577, 0.2085, 0.14, 0, and then enter easy. So enter natin yung ating easy button and then input natin to. Summation of x raised to the power of -1. Where yung summation of x natin is shift 132. So summation of x, that is shift 1, 3, and then 2. Raised to the power of -1. So pag enter natin to na equal, yung magiging result nito is our IE sub 1 or I sub E1. So enter equal, that is 1.649 or 1.65. And that is letter D. Next, for problem number 2 naman is yung fault current. So kung gusto nyo isolve yung fault current, is ito yung magiging input natin. So yung summation of x raised to the power of -1, lalagyan lang natin ng 3 times. So that will be 3 times and then enter equal. So yung magiging result natin dito is 4.0 9488, or that is approximately equal to 5. So therefore, yung sagot natin sa problem number 2 is letter D. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.